Memory problems are often associated with aging, but memory loss can also affect young adults, even those in their teens or 20s. Forgetting where you placed your keys or blanking out during a conversation isn't always just about distraction. Sometimes it signals deeper issues. Here's what you need to know about memory loss in young people, including possible causes, when to worry, and how to boost your brain's performance.
Occasional forgetfulness, like misplacing items or forgetting appointments, is common, especially in fast-paced, high-stress environments. However, persistent or worsening memory issues in young people are not normal and may require further attention. Common complaints include forgetting names, conversations, or deadlines, difficulty focusing on tasks or absorbing information, repeating questions or losing train of thought.
Common causes of memory loss in young people.
1. Stress and mental overload. Young people today face intense academic, career, and social pressures. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which impairs the hippocampus, your brain's memory center.
2. Sleep deprivation. Lack of quality sleep, common among students, new professionals, or gamers, disrupts memory consolidation, making it harder to store and recall information.
3. Digital overstimulation. Constant exposure to screens and multitasking, for example, switching between TikTok, messages, and work, can decrease attention span and cognitive retention.
4. Nutritional deficiencies. Low intake of B12, omega-3s, vitamin D, and iron, all essential for cognitive health, can cause concentration problems and short-term memory issues.
5. Mental health issues. Depression, anxiety, and ADHD are frequently linked to memory impairment and brain fog, especially in adolescents and young adults.
6. Substance use. Alcohol, cannabis, and other recreational drugs can interfere with brain development and disrupt memory formation, particularly in brains that are still maturing.
7. Head injuries or concussions. Even minor head trauma from sports or accidents can result in memory disturbances lasting weeks or months.
8. Hormonal changes. Puberty, birth control, thyroid dysfunction, or even burnout-related hormonal shifts can impact memory and cognition. You should consult a healthcare professional if memory loss affects school, work performance, or relationships. You experience other symptoms like confusion, fatigue, or mood swings. There's a history of head injury, neurological illness, or mental health conditions. It persists despite lifestyle changes.
How to improve memory and brain function. Get 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Exercise regularly boosts blood flow and neurogenesis. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Eat brain-boosting foods, for example, walnuts, salmon, berries, leafy greens. Limit alcohol and drug use. Try memory training apps or puzzles. Consider natural supplements like ginkgo biloba, lion's mane, or bacopa monnieri under professional guidance.
Memory loss in young people is more common than many realize, but it's not something to ignore. Whether caused by stress, poor sleep, or nutritional gaps, it often reflects a deeper imbalance that can be improved with awareness and action. Don't brush it off. Your brain deserves care at every age.
Boost your brain power with Naturem Memory Plus capsules. Designed to enhance memory, focus, and overall brain health, this powerful supplement supports healthy blood flow and neuron regeneration. Whether you're tackling cognitive challenges or just want to stay sharp, Naturem Memory Plus is your natural solution. Unlock your mind's potential today.
What sets Naturem Memory Plus apart is its blend of scientifically backed, natural ingredients, each chosen for its unique benefits to brain health.
Ginkgo biloba, an herbal extract traditionally used to improve memory and cognitive speed.
Poria cocos, a fungus that helps eliminate beta-amyloid plaque, treats insomnia, anxiety, and inflammation, and contains compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective effects.
Polygonum multiflorum is a vine with benefits for rejuvenating the body, improving brain health, memory, and concentration, reducing stress, strengthening kidneys, and promoting hair health.
Heriphium erinaceus is rich in antioxidants and compounds with neuroprotective, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, supporting cognitive function, nerve health, immunity, and potentially aiding in Alzheimer's treatment.
Hydroxytyrosol, a natural chemical compound found in olive fruits or leaves, one of the most potent antioxidants known, and has various health benefits. It can also cross the blood-brain barrier and protect the brain from neurodegeneration.
Designed for daily use, Naturem Memory Plus capsules are easy to integrate into your wellness regimen. The recommended dosage is clearly outlined on the product label, ensuring simplicity and consistency.
By combining these potent natural ingredients, Naturem Memory Plus stands out as a comprehensive solution for those looking to sharpen their memory, improve concentration, and support long-term brain health.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.